The case of Guinea, for example, a family being in power for 57 years. Are you the only family in Guinea? Are there no other Guineans? What gives you the right to think that the sun rises and sets in your household alone? It is this kind of sit-tightist approaches to governance, aided by misgovernance, corruption, opaque governance, directionless, hunger, thirst, melancholy, and social disequilibrium that make people to rise up and take up arms against their leaderships. Such taking up of arms, to me, against oppressors who masquerade under the thin guise of leaders, changing their constitutions at will to accommodate further terms. I do not regard it as a coup d'etat. I regard it as good riddance to bad rubbish.